What's up, everybody? I'll give you a quick tutorial of a song called Prayed For You by Stell. Seen some misinformation on YouTube, some lessons where some guys are leaving out a chord here and there, and if you want to play this song for your girlfriend, your wife, whoever, you want it to sound right. You don't want her to sit there listening and saying, well, that's good, honey. And she's thinking, pretty close, I guess, kind of sounded like that, I guess, You want it to be right. So anyway, I'll play through it one time for you, and then I'll give you a very quick, very simple lesson on how to play this song, because it involves 4 chords, and everyone knows how to play these chords. Ask for help. I need a mountain moved, I'm moving myself. I ain't a church pew regular, twice on a Sunday, quote you the scripture kind. I thought from a preacher that I'm a believer. Every single day before I knew your name, I couldn't see your face, but I prayed for you. Every heartbreak trail when all hope failed, on the highway to hell I prayed for you. I kept my faith like that old King James said I'm supposed to. It's hard to imagine bigger than I can fathom. I didn't know you from Adam, but I prayed for you. Let me adjust this camera real quick so I can get the fingers in there, you know what I'm saying? Y'all need to see them fingers, is what you need. Okay, so, real quick. Standard tuning, Capo 2. This song involves a C add 9, a G, E minor, and the trusty dusty D. I like to play the D, no middle finger by the way. So, it starts out in C add 9. I hammer on A string, 2nd fret with index finger, so it's E minor, D. And if you want to do that little hammer on pull off, it's 2nd string G or 2nd fret G string, pull off to a 4th fret D string, and then a 4th fret open G. So it's C add 9, G, E minor, D, C add 9, G, E minor, D. And yeah, that's basically the whole song. Then just from there, work on doing your hand muting, any kind of little pops. Just do what you want to do to dress it up, but at least have the chords right. Your woman's gonna know. Peace, y'all.